Harbison, broker-owner of Realty Executive Southern Nevada Properties, and this is Real Estate Today. So today I thought I would show you a very beautiful home in Sun City Anthem with gorgeous mountain and city views, absolutely panoramic. So let's take a look. It's 1964 Oliver Springs Street. It is a Concord floor plan, so it is 2,592 square feet. It has 2 bedrooms plus a large den, 2.5 baths, and a 3-car garage. This home is upgraded throughout. One of my favorite features of this floor plan is its island kitchen. It does have skylights, it's got granite counters, it's got the classic white cabinets, and it has the nook with the bay window. It has a breakfast bar, large pantry, and of course it comes with all the appliances, double oven, refrigerator, cooktop, microwave, dishwasher, everything you would expect. There is beautiful upgraded flooring throughout this house. Beautiful tile, very upgraded carpet in the bedrooms. And the den has a built-in Murphy bed, and it does have a door on it, so it can be, be an office or a guest room. The large owner's suite with the bay window is beautiful. Big closet, absolutely gorgeous property. So, and then of course the backyard with the covered patio, and there's a view deck. They put in the pavers, and the views are absolutely spectacular and panoramic. So I would be more than happy to show you this property anytime. You can give me a call at 702-777-1234. My office is open 7 days a week, so I'd love to hear from you anytime, and we can make a private appointment to take a look at the property. And stay tuned, because I have other properties to show you as well. So I'm looking forward to speaking with you.